Good morning, investors. Vridhivesh Finance presenting SME, one of the SME IPO, and that is guess what? It is a Get Along Enterprise Limited IPO 2021. This is a fixed price issue. Even if you invest it, the price will be remain same on the day of listing, or it can give a hike, but it can't goes down. We can say because it is mentioned as a fixed price issue, so fixed price issue will be the remain same on the at least day of listing. We can say. But after we are not aware about what exactly. Yes, this company has late registration, we can say, because this company is 2020, they have given the certifications. And so that's the reason, and they are claiming that since 2018 they are working, they did this much sales and that much sales. So that's the reason we are not going to focus on much more thing. And dear investors, if you really wanted to invest it, and if you are not having any kind sort of money to invest it in lakhs of rupees, like 2000 shares, which may cost you a lot, so more than 1 lakh, so that's the reason we are not going to tell you and to invest it, because it will be the risk for you. But this is a fixed price issue, so it will be not a risk for you even on the day of listing. So we are talking about the day of listing only. Anyways, it's okay, choice is yours if you really wanted to invest it or not. So here is what they are exporting. They are exporting garment, they are exporting gold, female hygiene products and other services. So we are talking about to carry a business, import, export, buy, sell, trade, deal with converted textile, man-made handloom, cotton, silk, wool, jute, artificial silk, terrain and yarn fabric to make a process, alter, convert yarn fabric, ready-made garment, made-ups, bedsheet, pillow covers, duvets, upholstery, tapestry, linen, curtain, mattresses, and deal with in organic and inorganic chemical dyes and pigments, dairy products, fish and the seafoods, mineral packing material, plastic solvent extractions, agriculture products and food grains, pulses, food colors, edible and mint oil, soya product and such other articles, all kind of lifestyle good, consume durable home appliances, FMCG, electronics products to act as a export house, to carry on the business, manufacturing, trade, import and export, commission agent, fabric, ready-made garment and hosiery and curtains, to carry the business India and abroad, trader, distributor, dealer, wholesaler, retailer, exporter, importer, broker, stockist, commission agent, agency and the selling, market, business, agriculture, commercial, industrial, product, household, domestic, automobile, farms, for forest products, food products, leather products, rubber products and the gadget, appliances, accessories and computer hardware and software, all type of dyes and chemicals, minerals, pharmaceuticals, wools, silk, yarn, fibers, garment, textile, papers and all kind of both tea, timber products, rubber, plastic, footwear, marbles, granites, cements, ceramic tiles, pesticides, glassware, tires, tubes, cement, fertilizer, iron, steel, copper, gold, silver, diamond, precious stone and jewelry, currency, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, electronic toys and games, batteries, button cells, telephone, SIM card, gas, lighter, calculating machines, electronics, organizing computer, floppy diskette, audio, video, tapes, compact disc, TV softwares, film and TV, serials, e-commerce, telemarketing and internet, and any other the commodities. To carry business, traders, resellers, process, import, export, buyers, seller and dealers, all kind of fibers, fabrics, textile and hosiery goods, prepare, manufacturing to cotton, wool, words, shobi, silk, jute, ramia, hemp, linen, viscose, rayon, artificial and natural yarn, fibers, converters, synthetic, artificial, natural fibers, including glass and the rest of the products and materials like a clothes, ready-made garment, made up ropes, tapes, yarn, hosiery and market freer clother and outfitter. So we can say this is an export house at initials, and they have registered very late into the market. Registration, company registration is literally late, we can say. But yeah, they might be doing the business since many more than decades, we can say, because they, if you really wanted to boost up your export terms, means like if you want to take a order received from the customer, identification of manufacturer and then placing the order to manufacturer and supervising the entire manufacturing process and delivery of the product. So it takes a time. So if you are going to sell anything into the international market, you need a hardcore base. So that's the reason this is probably family into the business. They are having the pictures of like a boys need set of cotton, boys needs t-shirts, boys woven jeans. Okay, and so they are basically what they are doing, they are into the exporting material. So dear investors, if you see in India, there is a export terms has literally given by government lot of benefit if you really wanted to. So they are selling the frocks also, woven frock, girls knitted kurtis, then men's woven cargo pant, woven jeans, babies knit set, men's woven shirts, scarf, women's embroidery dress, girls woven skirt, shawl. In case of gold trading, they are bullion. The company's old gold purchase and ornament from retail customer and vendor product. Old gold refined, convert into the bar and weigh and composition. Gold bullion sold trader wholesaler market, regularly known as the authority. So this is the way they are having 100 grams bar, they are having 50 grams bar, and they are having gold bullion 10 grams and 5 grams. Female hygiene product, import in bulk, packaging, branding, sell the product, digital marketing, and multiple channelizing. So this is the way. Get Along Enterprise Limited company detail. This company is it's start incorporated with 2021. I mean to say, this company Get Along Limited is in the August, they have given 18 September 2020 as their name. Get Along Enterprise Private Limited, they have changed into Get Along Enterprise Limited in 2021, where the domestic textile approach industry stood $140 billion in 2018, including handicraft, where 100 billions was domestically consumed, while remaining portions worth 40 billions was exported to world market. For the domestic consumption, 100 billion divided into 74 billion in technical textiles and 19 billion, and a home furnishing is a 7 billion, while export comprised textile export $20.5 billion, and apparel export is 16.1 billion. Handloom is $3.8 billion. The domestic textile apparel industry is 2% in Indian GDP, while 7% output of in terms of 12% in countries export earning. The textile and apparel is industry India's second largest employer in the country, providing direct employment to 45 million people and in 60 millions of allied industry. Primarily, the business of the Get Along company is diversifying product portfolio and mainly operating three key segments, which are export of textile, trading of gold bullion, sales of female care product, and other services. This company is based in Ghatkopar, Lakshmi B Wing, Dhamji Shamji Corporate Square, office number 402, Mumbai number 400075. For further information, you can log on their website getalongenterprise.com, or you can email it info@getalongenterprise.com. Dear investors, if you see Get Along Enterprise Limited, this is having two subsidiaries companies, Rituja Textile Private Limited and Adrian Trading Private Limited. Where this company is details is a group of companies, Chotani Food Limited and Myriad Insurance Brokers Limited as their group of companies. Get Along Enterprise Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 27 September 2021. IPO closing date will be 30 September 2021. Issued IP is fixed price issue. IPO face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 69 rupees per equity share. Market lot size will be 2000 shares per lot. Minimum and maximum will be remain same. So listing guide in BSE and SME. Pre-issue holding will be 79.6% only by promoters. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. If you see, this company is initially into the export house kind of thing. They export a lot of products, and right now they are listing into the Bombay Stock Exchange. That's it, we can say. This is SME. So yes, SME do the good business based on their own investment also, but now they are coming to the market. Okay, so if you are really interested to work on this company, to buy the shares of this company, you can buy it after listing or you can buy it before listing. Choice is yours, dear investors. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.